Hello guys, today I will tell you about French phone numbers and how to use it fluently in real life. Of course, I mean virtual phone numbers from Sms-man.com. We will help you to stay anonymous and safety on the web with French phone numbers. Let's go! At first, I want to tell about French phone numbers a little bit. French phone number contain a plus 33 country code and 7 digits after that. So French phone number, 9 digits. French phone number is a So I will tell you a little about French phone number. It contains plus 33 country code and 9 digits after code. So that is all structure of French phone number. In this video you will know not only what is virtual phone number from France, but also where to buy it and how to use it in real life. So let's go to sms-man.com website to use our first French virtual phone number. As you can see, it is our website where we can buy numbers. At first you have to log in our website and top up your balance. I have almost $2 on balance and it will be enough to use one French fake phone number. Let's choose a country, France, and let's choose a service. I will show you what is SMS-man phone numbers by example of Nike. Let's copy our Nike number and open Nike.com. At first, we have to enter some email to sign up. Let's verify our email and set up new password to our account. Okay, let's design some password. And save it. Continue. Continue. We have to enter profile. Parametre. And numero de telefone. click button Add, return to sms-man.com, copy our number, and enter our phone number without 33. Accept that we will receive SMS in weirdly code. Okay, code was sent, so we have to return SMS-man and click Get SMS. Okay, we got our SMS code, let's copy that and return to Nike.com. Paste our code. Oh, we can't paste it, so let's remember this code. 324805. Terminé. And that's all. We added our phone number to Nike.com, so we won't lose that account, because this account is connected to virtual phone number. Also, Nike won't sell this number anywhere. That's all we could tell about virtual phone numbers from French Republic. Also, SMS-man have a great opportunity for those who want to use virtual phone numbers fluently. We have 2 channels in Telegram for all who want to use virtual phone numbers daily or just regularly. The first channel is having free phone numbers every 8 hours for all who want to receive SMS on a free number. All numbers are working and you can use it on your own. But if these numbers don't suit you, you can use our private phone numbers. Buy that link. So in this video you found out how to buy virtual phone numbers, where to buy virtual phone numbers, what is fake phone number, and how to use disposable phone number in real life on a case of Nike with a French phone number. I think that's all. Put your likes, put your notifications on. See you next week. Goodbye.